Hi, I'm Chris from Budget Shipping Containers, and in this video we're showing you the forklift feet for our flat pack containers. These are an extra option that you can buy, and they're great if you want to be able to lift and move these flat pack containers around with a forklift truck once you've built them. These really couldn't be any easier to build. First thing you're going to have to do though is lift up the base of your unit so you can see the underside and so you can screw these in. As we can see, we've got 4 holes, 2 here top and bottom, 2 there top and bottom. You need a 19mm socket to get them screwed up. Very simply, line up the forklift foot with the hole and then get your screw through and in. Get it nice and tight with a 19mm socket. And there we go. So repeat this 4 times. Obviously these forklift feet have got no inbuilt adjustment in them. They're only really suitable if your yard is flat and level to start with. Thanks very much for watching this how to build video. Please feel free to check out our others.